How to see the list of people you follow on TikTok. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can see the list of people you are following on your TikTok. Now before we begin with this quick video, if you guys are new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So the first thing you'll need to do is obviously head over to your TikTok and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now simply head over to your profile that is on the bottom right corner. Now right under your name you should see following, followers and likes. Now to see the list of people you are following, simply tap on the following section. After you tap on the following option, you will get the list of people that you are currently following. Now you can manage your following list from here. You can either unfollow people if you want to, or follow some more by hitting down below to the suggested accounts. And yeah, it's that simple. That is how you can see the list of people you are following on TikTok. That is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.